Um, Hi dear Cancerians, how are you guys doing? So this is Anjali Tarot and this is a journal love reading till mid-Feb. So let's quickly tap into your partners and your energy and see what is happening with you guys till 15th of Feb, okay? So your partner, maybe there is a breakup happened. So right now your partner's energy is the death card. They are transforming from the past situation. Maybe you guys had a breakup, maybe you walk away from each other, and this situation doesn't look like a lovey-dovey and beautiful energy right now, but in the future it could be, okay? And your energy is the 8 of Cups energy. You are also walking away from this particular person or this particular situation right now, maybe Cancers. What I can feel is you guys were not on the same page and you had a huge fight, or you had conflicts, or there was something that happened and that made you feel like a breakup, made you feel like walking away from each other. This person is transforming, your person is transforming into something else. They are transforming into a good person, or maybe they are transforming, they are leaving their old pattern behind, and you are also walking away from the old or the past energies right now, okay? And how they see you right now, they see you is the King of Swords energy. The King of Swords energy is that you are getting the mental clarity, you are on in your own power, you know what you want in your life, and they feel like yes, because you got the mental clarity, because you got this energy of what you want in your life, they are feeling like you are the Queen of Swords right now, and you are taking your own decision and they are not interfering in that right now, Cancerians. On the other hand, what you feel about this relationship, what you was how you see your person right now is the World card. You see your person as there's that you are done with them. You are feeling like I am done with this person, this cycle should end, this is a pattern that is happening with you right now, maybe again and again and again in your life, and you want to break that cycle, you want to come out of this particular situation, you want to come out of this cycle, Cancerians, and that is what are you feeling right now for your partner, maybe how you are seeing your partner right now, okay? And what they feel about this relationship, Queen of Wands. They feel like although this relationship is very passionate, you are very passionate, you are very energetic, you maybe physically they feel like you are very energetic and you are very passionate, and or maybe they are feeling like they are very energetic and passionate in this relationship, and they see, what I can feel is there is no love, there is passion, there is energy, there is everything, but they are not feeling the love. The love is missing right now from this particular relationship, Cancerians, and that is why they are maybe breaking up with you, or they are maybe pulling themselves back out of this relationship. And what you feel about this relationship, the Nine of Pentacles energy, you are feeling good, good in your own skin, Cancer. You are working on yourself, you are working on your finances, you are working on making yourself look good, and you are working on the other aspects of your life rather than love. So right now you are focused on yourself right now, completely, okay? What they want from this relationship is the Two of Swords energy. They are indecisive, they are on the crossroads of whether to stay in the relationship, or whether to break up with you completely, whether to move on, whether to stay back. So right now on the they are on the crossroads, and they are feeling stuck, and they are feeling like they want to come out of this energy of feeling stuck, okay? On the other hand, what you want from this relationship is justice. Maybe you are feeling like your person did something wrong with you, they are the one who should suffer, they are the one who should be suffering, not you. So right now you are seeking justice from the universe, right now you are seeking justice and love from the universe. You are feeling like, okay, I will be happy in my own skin, I will work on myself, but justice should be served. They should understand what they lost, they should understand what was the right thing to do. So right now you are seeking justice from the universe for this particular relationship. And what is the outcome from their side is the Strength card. So they are taming their own lion, they are taming their own fears, and they are acting courageous. They are making you feel like they don't need you, okay? They are feeling like right now what they want is a step back. They want right now they are transforming from something very bad, or something that caused them a lot of pain and a lot of unhappiness, uneasiness. So they are right now on the strength, they are gaining strength, they are gaining courage in their life to come out of this relationship, or come out of this bad phase of their life. So right now they are not in the happy-go-lucky mood, they are right now on the verge of transforming, okay? The energy from your side is the Knight of Pentacles. Although you are also moving on in your life, Cancer, but the energy is really slow. You are taking it really slow. You are you know, maybe you are taking baby steps, maybe because you are heartbroken, or maybe you are feeling lost, or maybe you are feeling like, okay, I will work on myself, everything is good, everything is fine, but right now you are feeling like stuck somewhere, and you are taking baby steps, you are taking one step at a time, and you are very very cautious about something. Okay, so right now you are in a very slow moving energy, Cancerians. Okay, so the message from the universe is the Lovers. The universe is sending you the love you want, the love you always craved for, or maybe the universe is sending you some soulmate. This can be a new person as well. I don't think this is the old person, maybe till the 15th of Feb, but there is somebody that is coming to your life with the Lovers energy, or maybe you will get attracted to somebody physically, or maybe somebody else is getting attracted to you physically, or maybe this is kind of energy, of decision making as well. You have to take the decision for yourself, Cancer. If somebody new is coming to your life, if some love is coming to your life, accept it. Okay, maybe not right now as a lover, but as a friend, as a companion, as a partner, you can accept it, this relationship, or this particular, you know, what I can say is proposal. So right now, Cancerians, you have to focus on yourself and trust the universe. Unconditional love is coming to you, because again this card is telling me, this is the love card that I pulled for you. The universe wants me you know, to share it with you. So the universe wants me to tell you that the love is coming in your life. You have to be little patient about this, because you are in the transforming phase, because you are coming out of a bad relationship or a bad breakup or something like that. So you have to be patient with yourself, and eventually the love of your life will come to you. Okay, so this is the card for you, Cancerians. Okay, so yeah, this is all what I have for you guys for Cancerians till 15th of Feb. Love reading it is. So take it as it resonates, and the energies can be vice versa as well. So yeah, take it as it resonates. Fine. So thank you so much for listening. God bless you. I hope it helps you, and God bless you. Namaste, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.